Cleaning ticket spitter 101.
Yes.
Open up the door, push the green button, releasing the tickets from the burster.
Okay.
Always, always power off. It's the very left switch down here. Always turn off the power. Second, gently lift up. Make sure that the controller is seated in properly. Okay. Open this door. Lift the bucket straight up, getting it off the nuts that are holding it in. Drop it down. Turn the thumb screw to the left. Drop down, undo the cable very carefully. Reach in here, pull up on the lever, as you can see I'm doing here. Open that up. Come to the front. Black cable. Pull that one out gently. Use the thumb to pop the cables up on the big cable and gently lift up on the smaller one. Underneath here, pull down, push back, gently lift up, and help to guide the cable through the access hole. Okay, now we got them open. Pull this lever, pull it open, put this ticket into the bucket or in your pocket, or just turn it in. Spray getting all the little pieces of paper out. Spray up through the front. Lock it back down, make sure it's closed all the way. Lift up the cables. Put her in. Goes back and forth to make sure that we're locked in. Reconnect. You can't mix these up.
Because there's only one way in, right?
One's the burster cable, which is this one, and one's the transport for the print head. There's blocked spots for the transport and the burster, and you can see down here that there's the pins missing.
Yeah.
They've been cut on purpose. So this is something from the factory. That's the way that they set it up. Reach back here, put your cables back in, including the cable for the motor, the black cable. I'm used to doing it because I feel with my finger right here on the connector, but if you have to, you can access it from the other side, and making sure you get it plugged in. There's an arrangement on these cables. Make sure that they're looking like the other one.
Okay.
One's power to the board, the rest of the device. The other one is power to that. Then we can look at this real good, make sure there's nothing broken or damaged. Spray these right down in here. Those are the position sensors. You got two more right there. Spray in there, spray them real good, get it all clean. Then come down here, get the cable to come down and underneath down here. It's much easier to do it like this. So I'm going to gently lift it, the cable back, and you have to slide it in between the board and the aluminum, but putting this screw on top of the rail, and same thing with this. You just kind of put it in there. I'm used to looking at it and doing it. It takes a little bit of practice, but the arrangement is so. This part goes forward, and this thumb screw goes forward.
Okay, and this time.
In time, yeah, you'll realize everything looks good, everything's plugged in, and you can go ahead and turn it on. And to feed the tickets, fortunately, you guys already got it set up for me. But the right head sits right in here and looks up. Okay. So you want this so it turns and then goes that way. So if anybody is concerned about how it goes, you want the ticket to mag stripe to be to the left and to the bottom.
Okay.
Then you go ahead and put your bucket back. Put it back in here, lock it in place, and we can close this up.